Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Kavu Creative. Today, we make long shadow effect on text in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start. First of all, select Type Tool from Tool menu. Write Shadow, Word. Change the font family, here we used Franklin Gothic font family. Now change font size. Shortcut key for character menu is Ctrl+T. Select word, make center alignment. Select word and holding Shift+Alt key, drag it to upper side and make its copy. Again select word, and goes to effect menu and select distort and transform and select transform. Write the value for move to horizontal and vertical equals 1 pixel. Input the value of copies is 600. Watch preview then press OK. Now select shadow, go to Windows menu. And select transparency, make it 50%. Select top, text. Change its color, make white. Now select text, and goes to effect menu, select stylize and drop shadow. Make opacity 50% and X and Y offset equals 5 and blur equals 5, then press OK. Now select both and make center alignment. Now we create background for shadow text. Select rectangle tool from tool menu. Make rectangle as the size of as artboard. Now right-click on rectangle and select arrange and send it back. Now select rectangle and change its color. Here I used gradient, so double-click on gradient tool in tool menu. Double-click on right slider and now change its color from swatches. Here I used orange color, you can use as your choice. Now drag middle slider to left side. Make angle equals -45 degree. Now select rectangle tool from tool menu. Make rectangle as per artboard size. Now select all and right-click and select clipping mask. Now, it's look amazing. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions regarding my tutorial, please ask me in the comments section. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks again.